Good evening, everybody. This is Advocate Rajdeep Lahiri from Bombay, and I'm back with these short videos on YouTube and other social media platforms with regards law and practice. So it'll be majorly the practical side of law that I will be discussing, and of course, I could deviate very much to other areas of law where I will be talking about the law itself. So today, in this very short video, as in by way of resuming the videos that I was doing during COVID times. Today I will be speaking especially about something which I have personally been facing a lot, seeing others do, seeing others make some very minor mistakes or some making fundamental mistakes to it, is the aspect of mentioning a matter before the Honorable High Court, especially at Bombay. So it is very important that as AOR, as an individual, as a legal practitioner, whenever you're mentioning a matter before any court, it is important for first to be well versed with not only the facts of the matter, the law at hand, what you seek, because sometimes we see that the honorable judges will ask, and rightly so, as to the urgency in the matter. For that, they will prod into the facts and the details of the matter for which you are seeking the circulation or the production of the matter through your precipe. So it is very important to know the facts, the law, the reliefs, possibly some grounds. So all in all, you should know the matter in and out while you are mentioning the matter. And you should go well prepared before the court as if you are going to argue the matter entirely by yourself. So be prepared to that level. Also, another important thing which people make a mistake, and I've often seen people doing that while mentioning before the courts in Bombay, is that before dealing into that, you should remember that the High Court in Bombay have a very dynamic listing system. We have seen of late a lot of honorable High Court judges are retiring or are being, going from one High Court to the other High Court. And the assignments change on a weekly basis. So it is very important that you know the assignment list, updated assignment list on all the sides, the original and the appellate side. So you must know if you're mentioning an intellectual property rights matter or a suit, it is important for you to know that there are typically two judges who take such kind of matters, one till 2018 or till 2019, and the other judge taking matters from 2019 or 2020 onwards. It could also be entirely possible that one judge is assigned all intellectual property matters, and similarly for the other matters. So it could be anticipatory bail, criminal conviction, suits, commercial disputes over 100 crores, etc. So you please check the sitting list the day prior to the date of mentioning. Another very important aspect for you to please keep note is that please serve the other side well in advance, at least a day during the daytime. Please mention in the your subject line in the email must be indicative of nature as to what is the matter, what is the application that you're seeking an urgent circulation or mentioning for, along with the precipe. Also, please maintain that in your precipe, give the tentative dates for which you seek the circulation. You want the bench to keep the matter on those dates so that the other side is also well aware of. Also, try calling the other side and explain him this is the urgency, etc. It is better if both the sides, both the counsels for the plaintiffs and the defendants, or the complainant and the accused, etc., they go to in together, because the honorable High Court judges, I have seen that they insist on the presence of the other side, and so it's easier for the judges to allocate a certain date, entailing the urgency, etc. So these are some of the facts and the practical side of law, which at least at the time of mentioning. So this is a very open-ended discussion where mentioning can be of criminal or the appellate side or the original side. But these principles which I've just entailed are the same. These parameters are the same. So you must be very well versed about the facts, the law, the reliefs, the grounds entailed. Go prepared, well prepared, as if you're the lead counsel, and you will be arguing the matter. Some of the judges of the High Court, and of course that is again rightly or wrongly, do not allow senior counsel, designated senior counsels to mention. So that gives all of us a lot of chances to mention the matter. an opportunity to mention small, big, all kind of matters before the courts. Speak to the other side. Be the mentioning recipe must be served to the other side well in advance so that they are also aware. Speak to them, go in together if possible, and also keep a copy ready that you have served to the other side. Keep that ready. And personally, I have mentioned many matters. Some of the matters I've also placed in the orders on the way of which I've passed orders in the matter, just to show to the court the present situation of the matter which I'm seeking the circulation of. There's something known as circulation where the matter is kept on later dates. Production is when there is extreme urgency and it's kept on the same date. Some judges you don't need to mention, you just have to keep the recipe with the court associate and dates are allocated on the basis on the dates which you have mentioned in the recipe. Those are some of the judges of the Honorable High Court of Bombay at Bombay. So yes, so this is the small snippets of the practical side of law. I will be talking much more about this, and I will try to do that every day in the evening post quotas, and hopefully you gain some knowledge out of it. Please do send in a message on the chat box if you want to discuss any specific practical side of law. If I'm aware of that side of law, it'll be my privilege to say a few words on it as in by way of such videos, short videos. If not, I will do definitely read about it because law is an ever learning subject and we're all learners of the law. Every day we learn something new. So do comment on the this section, on the comment section, like this video if you feel that you've learned something new. Do share this video with others and practice hard. Okay, thank you so much. This is Advocate Rajdeep Lahiri, and I'll be back with another video shortly. Thank you.